What's the meaning of conjoin? Conjoin. Conjoin.
Conjoin. Conjoin. The word conjoin means to combine or join together. When two or more things are conjoined, they become united as one. This can refer to physical objects as well as ideas or concepts. Conjoining typically implies a close bond or relationship between the entities being joined, and suggests that they are now working together towards a common purpose. In essence, conjoining brings things closer together, creating a new and more complex entity that may be stronger or more capable than its individual parts.